Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this brand new Harris 2023 230 Grand Mariner. So the Grand Mariner got a facelift last year, and it is an absolutely gorgeous boat. So point out here at the front, just the look up here. They got the nice lights. This all lights up at night. It just looks really, really cool, and I just really like the design of it. Obviously you see it's a black, and we got the nice black rails that go up and around it. Just a great looking pontoon. As we come to the back here, we've got the extended swim platform on the back, so you've got tons of space back here to jump in, do whatever you need. A lot of space. Love the ski tow bar, pull tubers, skiers, whatever else you need. And then we got plenty of horsepower. So you got the Mercury. This is the 300 horse V8. So this is the Verado. Super quiet, but tons of power. Let you do everything you need. So also I want to point out we do have the nice underwater lights with this pontoon. So lots to see on the interior. So let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this beautiful Grand Mariner. Again, 230 Grand Mariner. I'll start out with the layout. So this is what they call their SL layout, or single lounger layout. Tons of space. We got a nice big backrest here if you want to face backward. And then with the SL layout, we have it set up right now where you could face this way on the interior. Now you can flip it this way and face aft if you'd like. And then it does go all the way down as well. So if you want to make this a big sunbed, you can do that. There's storage underneath these two seats here, and then a cooler, insulated cooler underneath that seat back there. We got cup holders, you got USBs, you got a 12 volt, you got everything you're gonna need for hanging out in the back. So let's take a look at this helm. So this is a raised helm, gives you a little bit of space up above if somebody's sitting in front of you. But I love just the detail of this Harris. The detail in the seat, just gorgeous. So with the captain's chair, you've got the armrests that fold up and down on both sides. It obviously spins back and forth. It'll go forward and back as well. We've got the nicely appointed dry steering wheel here. All right, and then I've got two Simrad screens, all touch screen, give you a lot of information that you're gonna need, and then some redundant controls on this side for lighting, and then the tower as well. Everything in this boat is JL audio, so we have our head unit here. I got speakers all over the boat, and then I have a subwoofer as well. Now, I want to point out the tower. The tower is an electric tower, and then they have panels within this tower here and on this side, and those all have LED lights in them. So you actually get a remote for your hand. You can press the button to go up and down with the tower, and then also has the lights on there, so you can change the lighting within the tower just with something in your hand, which is great. A remote in your hand is awesome. So let me go to the front now. So being that this is a tri-toon, we have a nice storage locker in the floor. Super helpful for putting in skis or anything else that is a wet item. Got the armrests here that fold down with the cup holders installed in them, so that's a great option to have. With the Grand Mariner, just the design that they have into here, you've got your speakers up here. A lot of times they're put down low, it's harder to hear them, so they moved them up here, gives the sound nice quality out here so everybody can hear it. I've got USB in here, cup holders, a place for a phone. There's lights in the cup holders, just a ton going on up here. You got storage underneath all the seats. Can't say enough about this Grand Mariner. The 230 Grand Mariner 2023 here at our Rogers location. Stop on by, take a look at it, or give us a call and set up an appointment. As always, click the like button for this video, and also please click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out on a daily basis.